The rolling greens villas, located in the Navarino Dunes at Costa Navarino Resort, represent a masterful fusion of modern architecture and sustainable design. These 19 villas are thoughtfully integrated into the natural landscape, offering breathtaking views while maintaining harmony with the surrounding environment. Their horizontal design emphasizes elegance, comfort, and meticulous detailing, creating an unparalleled living experience. The strategic layout of the villas, utilizing the sloping terrain and cantilevered roof, allows for seamless interaction between the indoor and outdoor spaces. With open-plan living areas and floor-to-ceiling glass, the villas foster a relaxed, fluid atmosphere that connects residents with nature. The expansive outdoor platform enhances the experience with sunbathing areas, a swimming pool, and panoramic views of the Ionian Sea. Additionally, the flat, planted roof serves as a sustainable feature, blending into the lush vegetation while incorporating solar panels and skylights for energy efficiency and thermal comfort. The design promotes year-round outdoor living, making the Rolling Greens villas a model of luxury, sustainability, and architectural excellence.